7001 here, and in this video, you see this iPhone. I'm going to just be hitting it with the sledgehammer. So hopefully it's in frame. I'll probably zoom that in, but I don't know. So just go get the sledgehammer then. Or should I hit it with the axe? Man, sledgehammer is actually heavier, but I don't know. Right? So I'll just get on this side. Right, it's recording good. I don't know. Right. Hopefully my neighbor doesn't see this, me doing this, or whatever. And hopefully I don't miss. I missed. Okay, it's not looking good, I don't know. Okay, this is good stuff, but... Oh god, what is that piece? What the heck? What is that? Where'd the iPhone go? Oh my god. That's awesome right there, sons. Look at that. That's really pretty awesome actually. Hey look, you can actually see the flash. But is that not cool or what? Let's hit it again. And look, I actually made a really big mark right there, but I don't know. Let's hit it again. Why do I keep missing that? I keep missing. Alright. I think it might work. It actually might work. Hey, there's the back plate. Hey, there's the actual battery. Oh my gosh. Look at that. How to get that out? Maybe I'll use that as a backup. Hey, can you actually see? If there actually is like an A4 sign, I really would like to see that. But look, maybe like 2 more times. But there's a battery in there. Hopefully that doesn't explode or anything. But I don't know. Oh my god. Okay, I'm probably gonna get in trouble, but my parents aren't really home right now, so it doesn't really matter. Look at that. It's pretty. It looks like it exploded, and I just found all the parts to it, but look at that. Pretty snapping awesome, if you ask me. Look, there's the actual backplate. Hopefully I don't get in trouble, but I don't really care. So that's pretty cool. Bye. One more thing. When my parents get home, I covered up the spot with leaves so they don't see the white part. But they'll probably eventually see it, but I don't know. Bye.